I'm your service technician today who's going to show you the removal and installation of the brush for the 3/4 horse motor, Leeson motor. Removing the end cap or the brush cap, it will expose the brush, the sleeve, the retainer, and even the point that the wire is attached to. To remove the brush, press down on the arch-shaped ring. This is holding down on your spring. So just slowly remove it up out of there. And we'll set that aside. And our spring, you can see it just lays right across the brush. And now we'll take our brush out. Remove this screw. And now we can get our brush wire and pull our brush out of the holder. It has a curvature to it that matches the armature. Placing the brush back in place, tucking the wire in. We'll put our screw back in. And we're going to place our spring on here, but it's very important to place the spring on there correctly. But you want to lay it on there so that the spring rolls down the side of the brush. Lay it right across the groove that's on the back of the brush. And now we're going to take our retainer. Hooks on this side. There's slots for the hooks to hook into. You see how the feet holding it like this are parallel to the brush. I'll use a little screwdriver here to kind of keep it in place and not lose it. And then you'll see I can push down on it, tilt it over, and it hooks onto that bracket, the sleeve, just like it should. And then we reinstall our cap.